Let's go ahead and test out my Apple MagSafe battery pack with it. We can clip that on and boom, it is charging. Makes sense. Hey Warenotice, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these two cases right here. These are some of OtterBox Symmetry Series cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, before we start getting these open, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox, though, for actually sending me these cases out for free in order to make this video about them. So, thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, without further ado, let's start getting these cases out of their boxes. Let's do this. So folks, here we are up close and personal with these boxes. As you can see, they both say Symmetry Series Plus. OtterBox got some big cutouts so we can actually see and feel the cases themselves. 3 times drop tested by military standards, and for the iPhone 2022 Extra Large Pro, which in other words is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I think it's really funny how they just don't say iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also over here, it talks about how they have MagSafe compatibility because they've got built-in magnets. That's pretty awesome because I do love MagSafe. Over here on the back, it also talks about how the cases are made with more than 50% recycled plastic and have lasting antimicrobial properties. So without further ado, let's just get these boxes open. So we can start with this one right here. This case is the black version of the case, and they've got a bunch of different colors, which, you know, makes it helpful that they sent 2 right here. So now we can go ahead and grab the case itself. There that is. And over here we've got this one. This is actually called Rebel, this color, but it is also black with a design on it, as you guys can see. And this box is hard not to rip, so you know what, I might have to rip it a little, but here we go. Now we've got the actual case itself. We can pull this out right here, and let's see. Also in the boxes we do have some paperwork, but we can go ahead and put all this to the side, and here are the cases. It's kind of weird. It looks like they have some dust on them, so let me go ahead and wipe these off a bit. Now they also have these stickers right here advertising the new sleek design of these cases. So yes, the Symmetry has been redesigned since last year, but we can go ahead and take off these stickers, okay? And now we are ready to go ahead and put these on my 14 Pro Max. So first, let's do this case. We can just pop it right in there. And here we go. Now we've got the Rebel case on, and my first impression of this particular version of the case is it is definitely very slippery feeling. It's got a very smooth and slippery feeling back right here. I was not expecting it to feel so slippery. Over here on the back, we also have raised lip around the cameras. Makes sense. You want to protect those massive purple cameras on this phone. Over here on the side, we have these side buttons, and oh yeah, those are nice and clicky. Right here, we have a cutout for the mute switch. We can go ahead and play with that a bit, and as you see, the dynamic island obviously moves along with it. We got the side button right here, OtterBox logo right next to the side button. Over here on the bottom, we got cutout for lightning port as well as the speaker grills. And yeah, I mean, not too much more to say about this case right here. It is nice and slim in the hand. I do like that. And it should work perfectly with MagSafe, so we can put my MagSafe Apple battery pack on. And yes, it's charging, as you guys can tell. And then let's go ahead and also test it out with my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here. We can plop this on. And as you can see, that also works to charge up this case. So that is good right there. But now let us actually go ahead and remove this. So nice and easy to take off as well. And let's go ahead and put this color of the case on. Slightly different, just the regular black color. So we can go ahead and pop the phone in here, and voila, now it is nice and on. We can mute it again because it unmuted when I put the case on. And you know, besides the color, it is pretty much the same case. It's got mute switch cutout, volume buttons, side button, speaker grill cutouts, lightning port cutout. But over here on the back, there's definitely a big difference because the back on this just feels normal. It does not feel like extra slippery like the Rebel case right here. So I would think if I had to pick one of these cases, I would definitely pick this one because although this design is cool, you know, it's sort of like a tiger or I don't know, camo or something. I definitely like how this one is not nearly as slippery as this one. Like that's probably too slippery. But yeah, overall, this definitely feels like a nice case. Same thing right here, also OtterBox logo. Let's go ahead and test out my Apple MagSafe battery pack with it. We can clip that on and boom, it is charging. Makes sense. And I do think that looks pretty good. The black, the purple, and the white on the rear of this phone. We can also go ahead and put this to the side and we can go ahead and test out the Apple MagSafe charging puck right here. And surprise, surprise, it does work with this case too. Magnetically attaches to it, nice and sturdy. So yeah, let's plop this down, and yes, it is charging. But I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about these OtterBox Symmetry Plus series cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. If you want them for yourself, they will set you back about $50, but definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are shopping around for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different iPhone 14 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. But anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.